is an honor to host such a committed group of experts and leaders for this IVI Global Council meeting. This meeting will be centered on this shared responsibility. Today, our main aim is to review IVI's strategic direction and decide on key governance matters. Our discussions today will not only guide IVI's work, but also reflect how we, as state parties, collectively co-create the future of global health. Countries are no longer merely recipients of innovation, but are assuming a more active role in research, development, and production. This is a welcome and necessary progress, one that recognizes that sustainable health systems must be built through partnership, mutual respect, and mutual accountability.
IVI held its Global Council meeting with our state parties, and for the first time, we're expanding that Global Council meeting into a broader setting. So as IVI, we thought, what a valuable opportunity to bring together our global community and the partners and collaborators who advance and support our work. We're thankful to all these partners for helping us create this space. It's our hope that today's joint conference is a venue for exchanging ideas, learning, and really diving in depth into what it takes to move from policy to practice. I think that this is something that we would like to include more countries in and more partners in order to share the benefits of this leveraged fund. Thank you.
As the chairman of the Advisory Council of the KAIST Center for Science Diplomacy, I hold a firm conviction that in the 21st century, biotechnology is not only a scientific domain, it is a strategic pillar of diplomacy, economic resilience, and human security. Let us move together from policy to practice, from capacity to system, and from vulnerability to resilience. Thank you very much. Salamat po.